Today we're going to test out the CB500X low speed capabilities. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're going to do some more exercises on the parking lots. We're going to do some motojitsu exercises again, but this time I'm not going to do blue belt, but I'm going to do brown belt, so the next level. I set it all up behind me. I'm going to walk you through it before we start. Before I do that, I want to thank all the people that commented on the previous video, guessing the movie quote. At the end of this video there's also another movie quote, so if you guess it right, your comment will be in the next video. Alright, so before I put on the GoPro, I'm going to walk you through the exercises. Alright, so first exercise is the weave. The weave starts there and then goes all the way there. It's 15 foot by 7 foot, this weave. So you really have to counterbalance the bike to get all the way up there. If you don't know what counterbalancing is, I'll explain it while I'm doing it. Over there I put up a 20-foot circle that I have to stay in and do little circles, little rotations within. And then here, this is the emergency stop exercise, so I have to stop within 18 feet going 35 kilometers an hour. And then this is the last exercise that I set up. It's the parking space exercise, so you take 4 parking spots and you do a figure 8 in them. Alright, so now I'm gonna go on the bike and talk you through what I'm thinking, what I'm doing while I'm doing it. That was pretty extreme turning. You don't have to do it like that. Well, if you can, then do it, but you don't have to. Go full lock on my turning radius. There's all this shit on the floor, but it doesn't really matter if you have the right tires. Alright, and then the other way around. This is all counterbalancing. Just put your body's weight on the opposite side of the motorcycle. So if you push the motorcycle down, go to the outside of the bike. Full lock again. I don't know how many times I have to do this, but yeah, this is what it's kind of the same thing. It's just counterbalancing. It's all pretty much the same, if you ask me. It's just low speed turning, and it's the weave, and this is kind of the same thing. Very nice. Very good. I've ridden with this motorcycle, it's not easy. You've got to be able to do this. You've got to be able to do it with the motorcycle that you're riding, but it's really hard with this one. Alright, and I'm back home. It started pouring rain out, so we cleaned everything up and we just went home. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and now guess this movie quote.
Pay attention. 3 more will die, and there is nothing you can do to save them.